Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we have Cam here with us. Welcome, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, so tell me, today we're gonna do your beard, right? How would you like your beard?
Yeah, so you can see I usually kind of have a neckline here that goes through, and I usually trim that clean. Usually a bit shorter than what I have here, like trim it down a little bit. And then my mustache, I make maybe shorter than the rest of my beard, just because it's really thick.
It grows fast, right?
Yeah.
But usually you have the beard like with some difference of length. For example, this part longer and here shorter, or you like the same length all the way?
Same length usually, yeah. I just use the same length for the whole thing, and then the mustache shorter, yeah.
That's good. Keeping blended here with the haircut, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. How much time since your last time that you did the beard?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's short, but nothing showing the skin or something like that, right?
No, yeah, like I
You
still
have some
want.
bulk.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, let's do it for you, my friend.
With this beard being quite simple, it'll be a perfect tutorial for beginners, as I will show you the step-by-step process I follow and the details we pay attention to when doing a beard like this. To start by removing the bulk, I keep the client in the normal position since I'll be using the clipper, and this prevents the hair from jumping onto the client's face. So to avoid this, I just keep the chair in the normal position at this moment. Here, I'm using the number 2 guard with the lever closed, and since I want all the hairs to be the same length, I pass the clippers in different directions. Just pay attention to the pressure you apply with your hand, as the face is more sensitive, and if you move it too quickly or apply too much pressure, it might discomfort the client. To remove the bulk from the mustache, I use the 0.5 guard in the reverse position. First, I test with the halfway lever, and if it doesn't remove enough, I close the lever. You start with a light hand, and if you need to remove more, you can apply a bit more pressure. It's essential to go over the same area multiple times to ensure the hairs are even. You will notice that many clients don't have a fully complete beard, meaning some areas have more hair than others, so we can see some dark spots. To even everything out, I'll use the number 1 guard with the lever open, focusing on the darker areas with just the corner of the clipper to achieve a more uniform look for the beard. Quick reminder, if you're new to this channel and interested in learning the barbering profession, I recommend subscribing to this channel. Soon we'll be opening slots for our online academy, a comprehensive program you can follow to become a professional barber from beginner. So check out our link in the description. If you're watching this video right now and the registrations are open already, the link will be available. After removing the volume from the beard and mustache, I tilt the chair to create the lines on the neck and cheeks. And in this case, as the client already has a defined line on the neck, I'll just follow the reference, keeping it straight. So notice that I will only remove those hairs that go beyond the line, leaving the beard with a cleaner look. And a tip for you is always to check if the blade over clipper is not pinching the skin, because sometimes the blade may be misadjusted to the point of hurting the client when used in this position.
When you shave the neck, usually you do just the direction of the growth, right?
Yeah, usually I go down. I just go down.
Down as well?
Yeah.
So you don't have like the skin pretty sensitive to make against, right?
No, but I usually only use an electric shaver.
Oh, the electric shaver.
Yeah.
Also, you don't use the blade.
I don't use the blade. Yeah.
Oh, nice. And also, I mean the shaver one you use as well. I'll show you. Like this one here, you still have some hairs, you feel it,
Yeah.
but when we use this, you don't feel any hair. You use this as well?
No.
Just this, right? That's perfect. All right.
Another important thing is always to ask the client how he likes to clean the neck. If he uses only the trimmer, if he's used to using the blade, and if with the blade he's used to shaving against the grain. All of this you need to check with the client before making a decision. And in this case, as you could hear, the client only uses the trimmer. Not even the shaver machine will be used on the neck. And notice that I'm taking every care not to risk pulling the client's neck hair. Many times, if you pass too hard or too fast, you can pull the hair with the trimmer. So I go slowly and with a lighter hand, considering that this client's neck hair grows very flat against the skin. So take your time and it will work out. Continuing with the same idea, on the cheeks, I'll just remove the excess following the reference of the existing line. One thing you will notice is that when we make the cheek line only with the trimmer, we have a more natural and less defined line. When we use the blade to make the line, it becomes more straight and stronger. So based on the style you want to deliver, you can decide between the trimmer or the blade. And in this case, I'll use the shaver machine only on the cheeks to leave it cleaner and without any hair. And don't forget to use the trimmer to clean the lower contour of the mouth and remove the hair that cover the lips. After following all these steps, I put the client back in the normal position and make some adjustments, since in the normal position I have a better view of the lower line. I also take the opportunity to clean his beard with a warm towel to remove all those loose hairs that stick to the skin. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something. The key now is to put it into practice. As you practice, you'll gain more confidence in this type of service. See you next video!